Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to put together a Vietnamese salad. This salad is perfect as a side dish for the holiday. It is packed with fresh herbs. The vegetables and the fruits are shredded or julienne. Our salad dressing is not oily or creamy. Instead, our vinaigrette consists of fish sauce, lime juice, and sugar. The salad is sweet, sour, and so fresh. Once you learn how to compile this salad, you can substitute the persimmon for other fruits like mango or papaya, which are more commonly used in a Vietnamese salad. I am using persimmon today because persimmons are in season. So let's go ahead and prepare our ingredients and compile our persimmon salad. To prepare the ingredients, let's go ahead and slice the vegetables thinly or julienne them. I am using cucumber. You can substitute this for bell peppers or celery or other veggies that you like. Shred the cabbage. For the fruits, cut in the same size as the other veggies that you are using. For the herbs, I remove the stem and just rough chop the herbs. I am using mint and Vietnamese coriander. Substitute the coriander for cilantro if that is not available to you. For the proteins, I am using Chinese sausage. To me, the Chinese sausage is similar to bacon. You will need to cook it and render out the fat. One of the must-have in a Vietnamese salad is the use of peanuts. So go ahead and roast the peanut, let it cool, and lightly crush them. So the other essential ingredients you will need for the Vietnamese salad is the dressing. So for the salad dressing, I'm using 2 tablespoons of sugar. And then I'm gonna add in 3 tablespoons of the lime juice. So I'm just gonna mix it up until the sugar is dissolved. And then I'm just gonna add in the fish sauce, and that's all you need that's your salad dressing. I have leftover arugula that I normally use in a rice paper roll, so you're gonna see that in the ingredients as well. So what I have in the bowl is chopped arugula. I'm gonna go ahead and add in the shredded cabbage. Cabbage is raw, so what I wanna do is massage it with onions, pickled onions. And the pickled onion, if you don't have this available, you can just slice up red onions and soak it in vinegar for about 10 minutes, and then you have your pickled onions. Just to get the cabbage seasoned, massaging it and making it soft. See? Add in some cucumber. And then we're gonna add in the star of the salad, which is persimmons. And then I'm gonna add in herbs. That's the requirement for Vietnamese salad is the herb. So I wanna add in extra dressing here. Mix that up. And at this point, I don't need to massage it. I'm just gonna mix it up. Protein of your choice. Today I'm using Chinese sausage that I also julienne. If you wanna keep this healthy, you can certainly use tofu or shredded chicken. I just like the color, the taste, as well as the texture of the Chinese sausage. Plus I have extra left over from making the Vietnamese steam bun, so that's why we're using it. See, isn't the color pretty? Yeah?
Indeed.
So I'm gonna go ahead and plate this. So the Vietnamese salad is typically served family style. You normally put a platter in the middle of the table along with all our other dishes, and then you just take it and eat with your entree. So it's not typically served like an American salad, like a Caesar salad. individual portion, but rather family style portion. And then the topping, what I like to do is add peanuts. If you don't have peanuts, you can use pecan, would also pair well here. Pecan, walnuts.
Or what if you're allergic to nuts?
Then you omit that. You're not forced to eat anything that you're allergic to.
Indeed.
And then I just want to put a couple of the minty guys on here. This is the Vietnamese coriander, which is the rum, the leaf or pointed, but it's the central part of the Vietnamese salad. The taste of this coriander is between a mint and a cilantro. So if you don't have this, you can use a combination of cilantro and mint. But I just put that on there. Drizzle a couple more of the salad dressing in here. Another option to serve this salad is to roll it in a rice paper roll and serve that as appetizer. And this is our salad. I have not put, this is the one that I mixed. I did not put in the peanuts, so I'll do that later. Okay. Then just put peanuts in there. And then for presentation, because this is going to show off on the translucent rice paper, we want the Chinese sausage there. Normally we have shrimp there, right? So now we're going to show that. Maybe I'll add in extra mint or so. Coriander, rum. Love rum. One of my favorite all-time herb. And then when this is soft, then you can just roll it in. I'm going to roll in the edge real quick, tightly, and then fold in one side, fold in the other side, and then come on guys, work with me here. The rice paper is not 100% soft, so it's not working, but hey, there you go. Our persimmon rice paper roll. So here we are. Hello. This we're gonna taste the rice paper roll first and see how this tastes. That's tofu and mine has the Chinese sausage. Cheers. So cheers. That's your dipping sauce. The dipping sauce is the hoisin peanut butter sauce. So let's see how this tastes. Persimmon salad rice paper roll. Still crunchy. There's a lot of stuff going on in there. I like the Chinese sausage texture. Not only to add additional color, but that sweet and savory taste is complement, it balances out all the veggies. So that's good. So the other option is that you can just eat the salad by itself. So let's see how the salad tastes. Here. I want to get a little bit of everything. I want to put chili in there, and mint, a little bit of persimmon. It's good too. Very fresh. Yummy.
So this one has more like
Fresh, delicious, savory, crunchy. It's a perfect salad for the fall.
success.
Yay! Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you back here again soon. Bye everyone!